Are you struggling to install MT4 on your Mac? In today's video, we will walk you through the exact process. First, go to MetaTrader4.com and download the installation file from there. Then, open Finder and locate the downloaded file. Double-click the MetaTrader4 pkg.zip file to extract it. Once extracted, you'll see the MT4 pkg file. Double-click it to start the installation. A warning may appear saying the file can't be opened because it wasn't downloaded from the App Store. Click OK, then go to System Settings. Now, Privacy and Security. Scroll down slightly, and you'll see a security message related to the MT4 installation. Click Open Anyway, then confirm by clicking Open again. The MT4 installer will now launch. Click Continue, then Agree, and finally Install. Within a few seconds, the installation will be completed successfully. That's it. Share your thoughts with us and let us know if you still have any questions about the installation process. See you in the next one.